Hey, I'm Damien. I'm a project supervisor with Ravenswood Studio, and we're here at Aurora Public Library installing the Dreamcatcher. So essentially the entire Dreamcatcher was fabricated and teched together in the shop, and here we essentially assemble the frame on the floor and then get it balanced onto our super towers to lift it up. While it's still down low though, we are adding the lighting fixtures and doing all the bolting and kind of checking everything twice before it goes up.
Hi, I'm Lisa and I'm from Intelligent Lighting Creations. We did the installation and design of the lighting in the Dreamcatcher exhibit. Jerry Savage is the artist, and with our team we went through all of the different emotions that he'd like to be invoked by this piece. So we sat here with the computer and him to determine what colors, what timing, what motion would happen during the time frame of this lighting system. We use light fixture on the ribbons that's basically a line. It's a big strip, sort of like you'd see in a ceiling. We have little teeny dots of light in the globe that are controlled individually. There are actually 50 on each side, so we have 100 total of those nodes. We have 18 of the big fixtures up in the oval, and we have 750 points on the tentacles. So it's a lot going on. We have a very sophisticated control system, and it allows our technical staff to control the entire system via a computer, unplug it, and let it just run 24 hours a day. And so when you come into the library, you'll actually think that you're seeing something completely different every time you walk past it. So it's really interesting and fun.
It's like love at first sight. You don't expect it, it just happens. There's so many unpredictable things about this. So intriguing.